So this Troy Bilt mower actually came in with a no start. I went to go check the spark plug. Our wire is broken off of the plug. And when I went to actually go pull it off, this is what happened. You know, how long was this actually in there in order for it to rust itself to there and break like that? Get our new piece on there. Got a boot on there. Put a new spark plug in. See if it runs. And this is why it's so important to check underneath your engine covers. So this engine probably would have been fine. Now we might be dealing with a head gasket or the notorious Briggs & Stratton. It pushed the valve guide in. Hopefully this motor isn't junk. It might be blown. This oil smells terrible. Everything's moving. It doesn't look like the valve guide worked its way down. So we still have no start. Now to ask the question why. We'll slip this back on temporarily. Yes, this does still need to get sealed up. But if this engine's going to be junk, I'm not going to waste my time sealing it up. So we will check our flow of fuel. I suppose that's next on the list. We've got plenty of fuel. Doesn't smell too bad. How does it look though is the real question. Doesn't look too bad. So now that we know this works, we're gonna get the correct plug end on there. We're gonna change the oil and we're gonna see if the customer wants anything else. New air filter, that might have been the reason that it wasn't starting earlier, but with no air filter on, it's firing up. And then this thing will be out the door.